Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can move your desktop icons to the right side in Windows 11. So let's get started. First, go to your desktop and right-click anywhere on an empty space. From the menu, hover over the View option. Here, you need to make sure that Auto Arrange Icons is turned off, because if it's enabled, Windows will keep forcing your icons back into the default position. At the same time, make sure Align Icons to Grid is turned on. This will help your icons stay neatly organized instead of being scattered randomly across the screen. Once you've adjusted these settings, go back to your desktop. Now you can simply click and drag any icon to the right side of your screen. You'll notice that the icons will snap into place automatically in a clean grid layout. If you want to move multiple icons at once, just click and drag your mouse to select several icons together, then move them all to the right side in one go. This makes the process much faster and more organized. You might need to adjust their position slightly, but overall, you now have full control over where your desktop icons are placed. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.